some cooler air after those rain showers. So coming up, we'll take a closer look at your weekly breakdown. Megan?
Unless you wake up super duper early, I always feel like a hot coffee. But taking a look now, heads up if you're driving in parts of Bristol County this week. Make sure you're paying attention to your exits. That's all because that Mass DOT crews, they're working to renumber exits once again this week. Work will take place all this week starting at 8 p.m. on 95 East. And it's between Wareham and Seekonk in particular. Crews will wrap up the work by 5 a.m. each day. And then once completed, they'll head on over to Route 25 in Wareham and Bourne. Over to you guys.
All right, Megan, thank you. Only on 10 this morning, the family of a missing Charlestown